I got here before anybody else so that I could have a free reign to go around the building and take some video and take some pictures. And so I want to share those with you. So in some ways there won't be change, but in other ways there's a big change. So for example, the elevator, I think that's the biggest news. The elevator is up and running. I wrote it up on my way in today and I wrote it down, and I've done that a couple of times since, so it works great. You'll find out for yourself. And the other thing is, and this happened really now over a week ago, the outside of the building has been painted. The white part that was kind of a metal siding, that has been painted, and it looks really good. It blends in very nicely. The thing that's slowing us down right now, we were told that we had to add some more smoke detectors. So that is being done. They're all having to be hardwired. So that involves some cutting holes and patching up the holes. So that's been a bit of delay. We have some painting to do. We have some carpeting to install. So there are a few things left to go. But the other thing I want to mention is that we'll be starting Sunday school for adults in December. So December 5th, plan to come and be a part of our Sunday school. We will have Steve Matthews teaching at 10:30. We'll have Dave Blanford teaching at 9 o'clock, the 9 o'clock hour. It's a little bit of a switch, but it's what we're doing to get a start on everything. So come on out and learn about Ephesians in the Halos class, and we're going to be focusing on Jesus in the Sunrise class. So let's take a walk. You can see what's new, and I think you're going to like it. I'm here early on a Thursday morning. I think I beat everybody else here. So I'm going to take a walk and come along with me, and we'll see what's been done. In here, this used to be the old military support room, and it looks like they've done a lot of painting in here. Out here we have the elevator. And from what I understand, the elevator was approved yesterday, inspected, and we got approval. If you come in the front door, door number 1, this is what you see. We've got the welcome desk over here. We have a coffee bar over here, although there will be more than just coffee. And over here you have the doorways going into the auditorium. That small door over there is to go into the children's check-in area, and the reason I point that out is because over here we had a power outage, and one thing that happened was this door came down. So it's really nice to be able to show you this, that we do have a way of shutting this area down if we want to. And if you go out this way, this looks so good, it made me think, why didn't we think about doing this before? Because it looks very nice. It blends in beautifully with the rest of the building. So all the way around this way. So this is what we have now. We're still using door 8, and we'll be using that until we get final approval from the fire marshal and the county inspector. We're really getting close, though. The only setback we had here recently was the fire marshal came in and did a pre-inspection, a little walkthrough, and he decided we needed 51 more smoke detectors in mostly the old part of the building, which was something nobody saw coming, and that's to the tune of around 30,000 up to do all that. In here, We have some painting that needs to be done, and this is going to be painted all the way around. It was decided to remove the chair rail. Sorry if you were in love with that chair rail. And this will all be painted to match the rest of the building, and then there will be some new carpeting. Obviously, it very much needs some new carpeting. And the moment that a lot of us have been waiting for, the elevator. Voila. And there we go, the test run of the elevator. Not bad, not bad. 1, 2, and 3. 1 would be downstairs, 2 would be the main entry level, and 3 would be the upstairs where the offices are. All right, folks, that's all for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. And I want you to know that we're getting very, very close to reaching our goal that we set of raising $2.2 million. And also to not borrow more than $1.2 million. So stay tuned for that, because it's very exciting how close we're getting. Come on out this Sunday and enjoy the building that God is providing. God bless you now, and have a great day and week and weekend.